Oh, hi, didn't see you there. Today's exciting episode of the Scott Brown Carpentry Show, we are doing a van fit out. Been in the zone for the last hour or so. Basic structure for the new drawers. These are the rails here that I got inside on these panels. So now I'm going to add the second part of the rail. Going to add right there. Let's do it. So you just pull these little levers up and it disengages the lock. But yeah, that's how the boxes are going to be stored. And now I'm forming the area in the middle. Sprayed it all black to make it look cooler. And now let's use the shorty here.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
I'm going to make a partition here and here, and on this one it's going to be different. I'm not going to put the partition like that. I'm going to fix it to the van and then slide this under it. Milestones. Smooth as. I'm proud of that. To cut the timber in here and make it all tidy. And let's just do it. Stop talking. Just leave it there so I can just open the door and get to all these hand tools. And here I've got the drop saw and the Festool vacuum, so I can just get to them at all times. I've narrowed the drawers on either side and allowed for this drop saw stand to be in the middle. See, when the drawers are open, you can see that they're wide enough for a typical sustainer box. The cool thing about sustainers is you can stack them all the way up there. I'll be able to stack and utilize all the space. So that was the van fit out. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you very soon for more carpentry videos. Hit the like button on your way out and subscribe. You'll never see another van video from me though, because it took far too long. I'm not doing this again.